Founded in 2000, Xiamen DAZAO Machinery Corporation Limited is located in Xiamen, China. Have ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certificated. DAZAO, beginning as a small CNC machining workshop, is growing into an industrial-leading, multi-plant and set of development and design, mold making, product manufacturing, surface treatment as one of the professional manufacturers. Our service include but are not limited to mold design, precision mold making, die casting, injection molding, CNC machining, sheet metal processing, 3D printing and MIM technology. From initial concept, mold design, prototype to final products manufacturing, our engineer team can jump in at any stage to complete your valuable project on time. In order to provide customers with more cost-effective services, DAZAO keep thinking about how to reduce costs and increase efficiency while better control quality. Starting in 2024, we began to introduce automated surface treatment equipment, including advanced automatic spraying system, passivation system, automatic sand blasting and printing machines, ensuring that the entire production process from mold design, mold making, product manufacturing, surface treatment to final assembly is completed seamlessly internal, forming a fully integrated and optimized production cycle. Thanks to our professional production experience, our products are utilized across various industries, including automotive, aerospace, new energy, medical devices, home industry, and robotics, etc. Sincerely looking forward to working with you together. Let's endeavor together to create a better future.